Students, now we can study the graph. Okay, exercise question 315. First one, a garment shop announces a flat 50% discount on every purchase of items for their customers. Draw the graph for the relationship between marked price and discount. Okay, they given the 50% discount, that means half rate. Okay, half rate. Hence, find the marked price when the customer gets the discount rupees 3250. Suppose the customer is get a discount this much, what is the marked price for that item? Second question is the discount when the marked price is 2500. If the marked price of the item is 2500, what is the discount for that item? We need to find these two from the graph. Okay, so using this information, first we have to make the table. You consider this x value is the marked price and y values as the discount. Okay, on this rupees, on the marked price, both the units are rupees. Now we can make the table marked price x quantity, this discount y quantity, this 50%. So for 100 rupees, 50 rupees. Okay, then if you are purchasing 500 rupees item, you will get the discount 250. 1000 means 500. 1500 is 750. Okay, half rate. So half rate discount. Okay, so we make the table like this. From the table you can understand the marked price increases, discount also increases. Okay, so the two quantities marked price and discount are in direct variation. Since the quantities since the variables are in direct variation, the equation is y equal to kx. So it is a proportionality constant. We can find out the k value from the table. Okay, use any one corresponding value, one set of corresponding value and find out it is 1 by 2. So you can make the equation is y equal to 1 by 2 into x. Okay, it is the equation for plotting, for writing on the line. Now from this table we can write the plotting points. It is 100, 50, 500, 250, 1000, 500, 1500, 750 and 2000, 1000 are join, we get a straight line. Then a line is this y equal to 1 by 2x. Okay, next. So using this points we can plot the plot these values and join the line. Okay, first 150. You see this 150, it is this is totally 500. Okay, it is totally 500. 1 centimeter equal to 500. I choose like that way. Then second centimeter is 1000. 1500, 2000, 2500, like this way on the x-axis. Then on the y-axis 250, 500, 750, like that way. Okay, so I written the scale is x-axis 1 centimeter equal to rupees 500 and y-axis 1 centimeter equal to rupees 250. Okay, how we choose, according to that we can write the scale. Okay, now first point is 100, 50. How can we find 100, 50? You see 100 from the x-axis. X-axis first point is 500. Okay, in this 1 centimeter we have 10 millimeter. Okay, we have 10 millimeter. 500 is this under this for this 500 100 is the one part. You see this 500 10 millimeter is 500. So 100 millimeter means only 2 millimeter. Okay, then on the y-axis 10 millimeter is 250. So 2 millimeter only 50. Okay, so you can mark the point 2 millimeter correctly. Understand? It is for 100, 50. Okay, so 2 millimeter you mark for 100, 50. Next is 500, 250. It is this point. 500, 250. Next one 1000, 500. This is this point. 1000, 500. Next fourth point is 1500, 750. It is here. The last point 2000 comma 1000, 2000 comma 1000. Okay, this is the last point. Now we can join the point using scale and pencil. So we are getting a straight line with the origin. Okay, you don't go to the negative side, since the mod price and discount is positive, should not cover the negative side, only start from the origin. Okay, and you can extend the line, since we need to find out other values for this. Rupees 3,250 on the discount and 2,500 for the mod price we need to find. Now this is the equation of, this is the line for the plotting points. We can write the equation here, y equal to 1 by 2x. Okay, now you see the second question. The mod price when the customer gets the discount rupees 3,250. Discount is y-axis. So we can see the y-axis. On the y-axis where is 3,250. Okay, so from here you put the dotted line on this straight line. We can put the dotted line from 3,250. So from y-axis we are drawing the line to this, drawing dotted line to this line. So put the arrow like this. Okay. Then where it is join, from there you put the dotted line to the x-axis. Okay. So from here you put the dotted line to the x-axis. So the line is coming this way, put the down arrow. Okay, the arrow is necessary, then only we know from where we are finding the value. So this point is x value 6,500 comma 3,250. Okay, so for the discount 3,250, what is the mod price? 6,200. 6,500 we can write here, x is equal to 6,500. For when we are doing the verification using the equation, also we got the same answer. So we can write the final answer is mod price is rupees 6,500 if discount is. Okay. Next one, for this from the graph mod price is rupees 2,500. Then what is the discount that you have to complete? Okay, you have to complete the second one. It is your homework. Okay, I done this much. You complete this. So from 2,500 on the x-axis you draw the dotted line and join. You will get that. Okay, from 2,500 you draw the dotted line to the straight line. Then from the meeting point you can again draw to the y-axis. You will get the correct answer. So complete it and complete the graph and write the final answer for the second one. It is your homework. Okay.